We'll guide you through how to use Gumroad for selling digital products. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Gumroad website and sign up if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. To start, click on the Products tab on the left-hand side. This is where you can add a new product. Click on New Product and choose Digital Product from the options. Now, enter a name for your product and set the price. You can also choose to make it pay what you want if you wish to give your customers the option to pay more. Click Next, and you'll be prompted to upload your digital file. This could be an ebook, a digital art piece, a course, or any other digital content. Once the file is uploaded, click Next again. Now, you can customize your product's landing page. Add a product description that explains what your customers will get. You can also add a cover image to make your product more appealing. Once you're satisfied, click Publish to make the product live. You can share the product link with your audience through social media, email, or your website. Gumroad also allows you to integrate your store with your website if you want a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Don't forget to check the Analytics section to monitor your sales and customer interactions. It's a great tool to understand what's working and what isn't. And that's it. With these steps, you're ready to start selling digital products on Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.